ready to transform your plain text into expressive masterpieces. First, let's summon the emoji keyboard. On your Windows PC or laptop, press the Windows key and the period key simultaneously. Ta-da! The emoji keyboard appears. You can also use the Windows key plus the semicolon key. It does the same thing. At the bottom, you'll see different categories like smileys and animals to objects and symbols. Click on any category to browse its emojis. Now, let's put these emojis to use. Simply click on an emoji to insert it into any text field, whether it's a document, an email, a social media post, or even a file name. Can't find the perfect emoji? No problem. Just type a keyword in the search bar at the top of the emoji keyboard. For instance, typing happy will bring up a bunch of smiling faces. There's even a GIF section available with more animated options. Click on the GIF option to explore it. If you are feeling creative, there's also a Kaomoji section to explore. Want to customize your emoji experience? Click the gear icon in the emoji panel for settings where you can personalize things further. When you are done, simply click anywhere outside the emoji keyboard or press the close button to dismiss it. And that's it. You're now an Emoji Master. Go forth and sprinkle your digital world with personality and fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.